Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. I hope you guys are all doing well. It's a little rainy here. I hope your weekend is a little bit more sunny on your side of the world, but we do need rain here in California. So we are unboxing some birthday happy mail that was sent to me by my dear friend Joanne, also known as Nikita2471 here on YouTube. I kind of spoiled the surprise because I kept bugging her and asking her what she sent to me, and today we are unboxing an Atelier subscription box. And I've always seen her unbox this in her channel. This is the first time I am seeing it, and I already see the box. It is gorgeous, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see what it looks like. And I like that it is really wrapped really nicely, but look at the top of it. Let me just take that off and we shall look inside. Look at how gorgeous the packaging is. I love this style. We have this beautiful wax seal, and I think the nice thing about the way she packages the cover is she gives you a preview of what might be in the box. So let's have a look. Let me just flip it over and see. It says to Clarissa, and then there is a message that the lady had prepared and written in behalf of Joanne. So thank you so much, Joanne. I love it. I'm going to put that in my junk journal. That is so sweet. Let me just cut this open. Now, in terms of price, I am not really sure what the price is. So let's have a look inside. Oh my goodness. Let me just pull out. There is so much in here. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome to see it in person. So let me close. You reuse the box. Look how pretty. I'm just gonna put that right there. Now let's look at the first few items. Again, love the packaging. Look how classy and so pretty that is. We have some washi. Oh wow. Look at that. You have a pretty thick film of washi here. Let me see if I can show you what the print looks like. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at that, guys. How pretty is that? So we have that washi. I love it. Next we have this vellum envelope. So beautifully wrapped. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. Love that the paper actually has some texture on it. Perfect for junk journaling. And then we have these two. Love the variety of colors as well. That's so gorgeous. We also have a wooden stamp. Oh my gosh. Let's open this. Sorry, paper. We have to open that. Trying not to. I want to save this for my junk journal, but check that out. Love that vintage stamp. How cool is that? So that's what the backside looks like. Definitely join me for a little journal with me. Soon I'll be posting a video, but for now let's enjoy this unboxing and seeing what comes in this box. Wow, look at this. So texture's like handmade paper, and there's like old vintage letters that are printed on it. It says Virginia Woolf. Oh, okay, it's like a book page printed on this page. That's really cool. And we have this other one here. Some handmade paper, really pretty. Look at the variety too that she's included. That's really nice. And some vintage looking math pages. Cool. I see we have some clear cling stamps. Always a nice addition. And oh my gosh, guys. So every time Joanne unboxes her boxes the last few months, every time I see the ephemera packs, they are a wonderful variety and a nice collection. Each month has a theme as well. But look at this, there's so much in here. Hold on, let's go slowly so you can see what she included. Wow, oopsie. Okay, because there is a lot. So look at that, just of good variety. I love, there's plain ones, you can stamp on those. We have some here. Little fishy flower. I love this. This is perfect again for junk journaling. Airmail postcard. Look at this cute little holder. And perfect for our April layout. So definitely going to use this in my journaling. How beautiful is that? We have the elephant bookmark. How cute. That's a cute elephant. And then a library card. 2 kinds. That's so cute. And oh my goodness, this is perfect. I love birds and this will go great in my bird journal. We have some fish and crabs. Oh, I love this as well. So you can mark it. That is so cool for weeklies. And we have one here that'll be great for book title or entries, some shells. So you have quite a bunch of different ephemera that you can use for different themes. Love this. This is cool. Some craft paper. Beautiful vellum vintage postcard. Love that it looks like it has embossing, but it's just vellum, but it's really pretty. Ooh, another one here. And love these vintage receipts. Super cool. Oh, how adorable is that girl. Perfect for our spring journaling. This is so cool, but there is more. She's included some of these. So this one says important, canceled. You can always change the word if you would like. And this one says approved. But there is one more envelope filled with more ephemera. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh. There's some tiny guys here. Oh my. Hold on. Okay. Let's start with this part. So here we have, feels like acetate. Love that. You can do an overlay with that one. Another one here. And I think these can be cut apart. But again, look at the variety of items that she's curated in this box. This is so beautiful. Some vellum stickers. I love that with the scissors. We have the ruler. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my gosh. And also, I love it when they also include some of these old quotes. So beautiful. And there are a number of them. That's pretty cool. So I see another Virginia Woolf there. Some poetry quotes from Walt Whitman, John Keats, Nelson Mandela, and some of these beautiful vellum stickers. How pretty. So cool. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Joanne. This is so awesome. And, oh, this will go definitely in my little book journal. Look how pretty. We have a map. Isn't that wonderful? And then different shades and colors there. We have, wow, more stickers, or I think these are washi strips. Really cool. And some vellum overlays here. That is so gorgeous. I love it. That is so beautiful. A few more smaller items. Now these circles and numbers are so wonderful to use for collaging. I also use them for little tabs for my pages in my junk journal. They're great to use. And again, wasn't this a wonderful box? Thanks so much, Joanne. I love it, love it, love it. And I hope you guys join me for future Journal with Me. Let's create some page layouts, hopefully for my April Traveler's Notebook. If you're interested in seeing more of these unboxings, check out Joanne's channel as well. Put her link down below. But I am in love with this box. Again, thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.